That's right. Remember that theme song? This one goes out to my new favorite band, the one and only Yo Gabba Gabba! As you have noticed, Yo Gabba Gabba is one of the most popular bands that have ever lived in New York. They even got their own debut at the Paramount here on my city.
Yo Gabba Gabba is a comedy drama show starring Lance Robertson, Aaron Pierce, and Amos Watney. Yo Gabba Gabba is a fun live-action program for young children. Join our host DJ Lance Rock as he introduces us to friendly toy monsters in a magical land full of music, dance, and color. The series has an IMDb rating of 6.9 out of 10 and is rated TVY.
The legendary DJ Lance Rock has this special jukebox containing 5 special monsters, who goes by the names of MUNO, FOOFA, BROBEE, TOODEE, and PLEX. We're gonna start off with PLEX. He's the guy in the middle. He's the magic robot. He has a special ray that transports DJ Lance down from the space on his platform and transports him straight into GABBA Land. Everywhere in GABBA Land is a magical place full of awesomeness, color, and love. That's what makes this place magic. Basically, Plex can extend his arms and his legs. He has a young niece named Plexi. Good for him. He also has a special docking station for his, in case he needs to recharge and stop for a minute. Next character I'm drawing is named BROBEE. He's the young, nice one. He's got 3 horns on top of his skull, like a triceratops. Let's see. What else is his capabilities? He has a healthy diet that includes eating healthy stuff. Let's see. Now we just draw his other arm here. He's a close friend to everyone, and he likes hugging others. Here's his feet. That takes care of that one. Now the next character we draw is named MUNO. He has 1 eye, and he has an interest in insects. Each one of these magic monsters have their own zone to call home. MUNO's zone is a rocky and very insect-filled place. FOOFA's place is a spring-like flower bed. BROBEE's home involves autumn. There we go. Here are the bumps. Next, we draw a FOOFA. She has a special interest in flowers. MUNO is really close to her. She's what they call pink and happy. Every one of these monsters have their own code names. FOOFA has this interest in making new friends. One last character that I want to draw, and it's none other than the most playful character. Her name's TOODEE. Her animal species is known as a cat dragon. Well, basically it's like half cat and half dragon. First time seeing this creature. Her hobbies include dancing, surfing, ice skating, and playing this game called Crazy Jumping Pirate Bugs. However, we didn't really get this chance to see the actual dance actually performed. The case is that she had this really bad fever, so everyone had to heal her and help her feel better. She's a really playful character. Another thing about TOODEE, well, I know this may sound a bit like Dragon Ball Super. Well, she's got Ultra Instinct. Yeah, I've said that. TOODEE has Ultra Instinct. Oh, sorry. Awesome, right? She's a bit playful and a bit mischievous. Anyway, this is my favorite part about TOODEE, and that's her tail. This That's my favorite part about her. That's the tail. Basically, her tail is rather much very special to her. Did you know that, well, you can use her tail to help scratch her back with it. It's like her own personal back scratcher. Interesting, huh? You see, guys, hold on a sec. Let me just fix this up. I probably already have told you this before. TOODEE can use her tail as a back scratcher for herself. And, well, it's rather much comforting for her. And that's really much about her. And, well, I came up with the idea for a new character. His name's Jumpy the Phantom. And, well, here's some